反射か教えてあげるわ。
誰君にゃ。
狩りの時間よハサシロ。お仕置きたーい。
ハサミやめて。てかお前らさっさと本を書け。
星がワンダワンダうるさい。気持ちよさだけ信じてよ。
言葉シルバーの関係。両親がデンジデンジャ高まる。うるさい恋と理性は仲は恋の勝ち。愚かしき夢見せねるれ。また始まる終わらぬため。人の下がりは逆らえるさ。痛くなればなれば強い。そして強くなるよ。わからない気持ち見せたら何かがわかるよ。痛くなればなれば強い。そして強くなるのさ。君の運命変えるものは図らずも言葉の力。
本は読んどけ。A traditional inn? With blades all over? What is the holy land of blades? I've never heard of a tourist spot with a catchphrase like that.
Stop whining, Mutt. We came all the way out here, so why don't you just shut up and try enjoying yourself?
How the hell am I supposed to enjoy this, huh? You kidnapped me first thing this morning.
Well, if it is a little Natsuno. Oh, welcome to the Inn of the Blades. As always, we're happy to see you again. And we will do our best to serve you.
What? Landlady? Did you get another job or something?
What? She's been working at this hot spring since I was a kid, you silly dog. I'm sorry I insisted on bringing my dog out here.
It's fine, really. I'm happy to accommodate your request, Natsuno.
I guess she is someone else. Guess that's proof everyone has 3 lookalikes in the world, Huh? Wow, a library! I gotta give the traditional hot springs inn 2 paws up! Firefly Star Romance? I haven't read that one yet. Is that a new one?
Hey, Kazu! It's been a long time!
What are you doing here, Monica?
Miss Natsuno, thank you for inviting me out here. I was really looking forward to seeing Kazu.
Miss Natsuno?
There's no need to be so formal, Monica. The way I see it, we're gonna be sisters-in-law someday anyway, so we might as well take the time to get to know each other.
Go ahead and settle in as soon as you like.
It's the scissor room, no less. This room looks like it was made for you.
Yes, this is my room.
You own it? What?
Hey, Miss Natsuno, is this your family in the photograph over here?
Yes, it is.
What? You really do have a family. This kid's got a real sourpuss going on over here.
That kid with the sourpuss in the photograph is me, you dumb dog.
My, what an intelligent-looking child. I'm sure she'll grow up to do great things. I know it.
Arrogant and capricious. Nice. I had sent Hasajiro out to be sharpened at the time. And that's why I'm unhappy in the picture.
I see.
I guess you take after your dad, Miss Natsuno.
I suppose I do. Thank you for noticing my sister taking after my mother, especially in the cleavage area.
No, never stop trying. Your breast quest will be the best. You will see results.
And do you want those to be your last words?
A haiku under pressure. I'm awesome.
What is... Miss Natsuno, there's only one futon in the bedroom. Should I ask the staff to send up another?
Well, no, it's fine, really.
What?
That room is mine, and...
Huh? Natsuno? Now wait. Are you really... Are you serious, you pervert?
You're so cute, Madoka. I could just the liberty of getting you a separate room, Madoka.
I see.
That was so nice, but you didn't need to do that for me, Miss Natsuno.
It's no problem. I reserved the knife room next door for you, so why don't you drop off your luggage?
Sure, I'll go ahead and take care of that right away.
What?
Now, wait a minute.
What's the matter, Miss Natsuno?
You don't need to take the dog to your room. Leave him here.
No, I need him. I haven't seen Kazu in a while. Know what I mean? I really wish you wouldn't get between me and my brother.
Stop pestering my dog, little sister. That's not why we're here. Not to play with the dog, that's for sure, sis.
I told you not to call me that anymore. I'm not your sister. Have you forgotten already?
Sounds like you're having memory problems too, little sister. Or did you forget how badly I beat you?
Don't do it, Natsuno!
Even if you're not my sister, I'll make you call me your sister-in-law. I will make you call me sister until it breaks your very soul. Challenge me again and I will punish you without mercy this time.
God, you're scaring the crap out of me! What's all this sister business anyway?
I'll crush all those evil desires of yours right here and now, you villain.
Don't waste your energy, sis. I beat your tuna eater once, and you wouldn't have a hope in hell without it anyway.
I said I'm not your sister, damn you!
How did this happen?
Damn! I don't have time for this nonsense right now. Madoka, we came all the way out here. Let's just use the hot springs.
Oh, that's a great idea!
What? How did that happen so quickly?
See you later, Kazu!
We're heading out to the baths now, you miserable little pervert. And don't you dare look at us while we're there. And I mean, you'd better not look at us!
Fine, I won't look, drama queen. I'd rather read anyway. Show me to that new book in the library anytime. Aww.
Oh.
Hey! Wow, what a surprise. I can't believe we ran into you at the same hot spring inn.
So what are you doing here, Sakura?
I'm on an overnight trip with my school club.
Miss Honda, you're attending Higashikawa High School too, aren't you? My brother told me.
Sure, just call me Sakura. I really don't mind.
Oh, okay, you got it, Sakura. I'll be attending Higashikawa High School starting next year.
What?
You haven't taken the entrance exam. That's pretty confident.
Passing's not a problem for me. Piece of cake.
So Monika's gonna be junior to me. Hey, Javi, come on over, okay? I'm fine here. I'm sorry to bother you.
Oh, hey, I remember running into you in front of the bookstore. I see. So you're Sakura's little friend.
I'm sorry for being here in the bath with you. I'm sorry for enjoying the skin-smoothing, warming, and healing properties of the bath. Miss Natsuno?
Well then, this place is so nice and spacious, isn't it?
You've got a point. It really is.
Stupid dog. Where are you anyway?
This book was pretty good too, but I'm still curious about the new one I saw. Where is it?
Are you all right, Miss Natsuno?
Yeah.
Hey, what's wrong? Did you stay in the bath too long?
You stupid mongrel. I told you not to look.
Huh?
I need to hurry.
Right. Let's eat. The view from this hot spring inn's main hall is really something if you just sit and take it in.
Really? Doesn't that sound exciting, Kazu?
I like good books better than scenery.
Talk about your coincidences. This guidebook says we should be able to see a lovely sunset right about this time.
What the hell is this?
The smell of this food is stimulating my central nervous system. It's too much! Mr. Sakiyama, what brings you all the way out to the end of the Blades?
Fancy seeing you here. Me and the rest of the masochist order are here for our yearly excursion and bondage buffet.
I don't care for your worthless explanations. Stop with your empty excuses and remove yourself from this planet at once, you filthy pig!
Oh, I shall. As you requested, I will break myself down.
Susanna is so damn lucky.
I'm so freaking jealous.
Kazu, isn't it really fun around here?
Yeah. You won't find another hot spring inn as chaotic as this one anywhere else in Japan.
What a terrible view. Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
Right.
So, where are we going now? I just want to read books in our room. Hey, is that a book? Let me read it. Come on!
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna let you read it.
Really? Huh? Where'd Monica go
Who
anyway?
knows? I invited her to come with us, but she said she had something important. Huh?
Men in Black? It can't be!
Shining! I'll turn this rural little hot springs town into a top-class resort spot in the blink of an eye. I'm so shining!
It's just as you said, Miss Maxie!
I'm shining
Let's get out of
again
here,
today.
dog.
Definitely. Huh?
It's you, my enemy.
I just can't get away from any of you.
I didn't think the two of us would meet again so soon.
Do you want to fight? Oh? Is that your whetstone?
Oh, yes. This brand gives their owners the finest edges for cutting and slicing. Do you also use this brand?
You bet. They give my blade an edge and a sheen that's really a cut above the rest.
Wait, are you guys friends now or something? Huh?
Oh, wow, would you look at the time? I must buy some manju for my mistress and get home right away.
Now I'm free to get my own top-class whetstone.
I can't get it right. All I wanted to do was make a really amazing curry that's brimming over with love for my big brother Kazu. If only I had my tuna eater with me.
Tuna eater?
Huh?
Just you wait, Hasajiro. I'll have you feeling better in no time.
Yeah, and I'll feel like crap from being dragged around. Is that what you really came here for?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Wow, a shop that doesn't sell blades.
The picture you saw in our room was taken here back when I was still just a little girl.
I want to be with Hasajiro! I don't need my big sister here! I want Hasajiro!
I've got an idea.
What?
How about we stop in?
It's good to see you again, miss.
Good work.
Hey,
What?
does something seem a little off to you?
Sure. In any case, I'm gonna take this new whetstone and sharpen Hasajiro. In the springs, completely in the nude!
Right. Go ahead, knock yourself out.
And you will give me your unbreakable promise. You will not look at me this time!
If you don't mind my saying, you're really putting your back into it.
Your face is going beyond red and is starting to turn blue on you.
Yes, supposedly there's a sublime ecstasy beyond the pain waiting for me if I just stay in these waters long enough.
What is that damn stupid dog doing? I know I told him specifically not to look in on me.
Hot springs pose, yeah! What in the heck are you doing here?
I could ask you the same thing, Lightning Bug.
I'm not letting an opportunity like this go to waste. Let's have a contest to see who can stay in the water longer. Oh, I'm already getting dizzy. But even while I'm up to my neck in water, I'm still shining.
Please come once again to the Inn of the Blades.
I feel bad having to run off before we said goodbye. We couldn't find Miss Natsuno or Madoka anywhere.
Yeah.
I see a field of beautiful flowers.
I'm really shining. Everything I see is shining all around me.
What is this? What's wrong with you? Get away from me! What? Could it be?
Nice job keeping me waiting.
We've got bigger problems on our hands right now!
I didn't expect to run into this problem here.
Huh? What are you talking about?
The same thing's been happening to me back home. I've been attacked more than once by some kind of stalker.
Attacked?
I fought them all off, though.
That doesn't surprise me.
However, all those fights left Hazajiro in need of
I'm
sharpening.
pretty sure it was more than stalkers.
Hey now, I know I'm shining, but you can't just stare at me like that, boys and girls. Yeah! I'm shining all over the place like the silver screen heroine of a major monster movie! Huh? What?
Natsuno! I'll get some help!
This is awesome! I had no idea this was part of our bondage vacation package!
Did I really think I could count on the Space Cadet for help?
Hello, boys.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
What?
Yes!
I know! Maxie can call her Men in Black
I
and...
can't believe all you zombies ignored me. Unforgivable. I'm gonna need you to get me my super shining outfit, boys!
Yes! Whatever you say, Miss Maxie!
Holy shit on a stick. They're all useless.
You're so lucky, my scissors are dull.
Natsuno! Special technique! Jobs in 10 seconds! I'll buy you some time. Get moving and finish sharpening those scissors.
Right. He's really fighting all of them for me. This is our first time working together as a team.
Hurry up, will ya? I can't hold out much longer.
You scum! Don't you touch Kazu! Are you okay, Kazu?
Madoka, where did you get that?
When I found you covered in dust and storage, I felt like we were destined to meet. You were waiting for me to come save you from your imprisonment. Is that right, Tuna Eater? Big brother, you told me to make the best curry, and now we actually have the chance to make that happen in reality.
The hell I did.
I'm gonna keep on making my special curry the only way I know how. I'm gonna do what you wanted me to do. I'll give it everything I have to give. And this will be the first step on that journey. This is my prayer. This is my wish. Make it come true. Tuna Eater, time 0!
System on. Madoka Harumi recognized as master.
Thank you for letting me bond with you, Type 0.
If I were the Demon King of the Underworld, I'd be so freaking screwed right about now.
I'm back!
Miss Natsuno!
Hey!
Whoa! You're looking good! But it'd be better without the zombies.
Let's kick their ass!
Hey, Natsuno?
I'm so sorry for this incident.
We don't remember anything.
What's going on? Is someone trying to kill you or something?
That really didn't bother me.
Thank you for my brand new tuna eater.
We might have gotten out to the hot springs, but I wouldn't call the time relaxing.
Yeah, that's true. So we just need to try it again. We'll be back. And next time, it'll be just the two of us. If I thoroughly tortured one of my fans and spread the news, it might stop all these stalkers. I wonder which fan, though.
Don't look at me!
Are you saying you're not one of my fans?
I'm a huge fan!
Confirmed! I'm gonna tear out your toenails, fanboy!
Wait a minute!